It's a cloudy day across the valley again today. Not much sunshine at all. And we're tracking some really light sprinkles kind of sneaking up through the valley this afternoon into this evening. Coming up from the south, there's not much to write home about in that, but might be a wipers on, wipers off, one shot and it's over. But that's what we're seeing out there right now. The cloud cover has been thick. No breaks today, and I think overnight tonight it's going to stay like this, overcast. And tomorrow will start overcast, but as the day goes on, we could see some breaks late in the day. Future Track keeps the clouds here all night, shows no significant rain at all. 4 o'clock in the morning, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. We're trying to get the sun maybe by the end of the day. See the clouds starting to thin from west to east across the area, so maybe some breaks. With that, temperatures warm up just a little bit more. In fact, about 10 degrees more than they were today. And then Saturday morning, here comes our front. Notice the showers along the front are right on the coast. That's the tail end. That line goes all the way up to the Midwest. Again, the line has to end somewhere, and it pretty much ends right here. Inland, probably absolutely nothing with this front, but if you're right near the coast, early Saturday morning, pre-dawn, you could pick up a quick shower, and then it's out of here. We turn sunny, windy, and not as warm on Saturday after being close to 80 tomorrow, probably only in the low 70s on Saturday. Sunday morning, under clear skies, temperatures will get a little chilly, probably down to the 40s, but then during the afternoon, sunshine helps bring readings back up a little bit. Likely Sunday afternoon, we're back into the 60s again. So your rain chances, don't see much tomorrow. Like today, maybe one of those little sprinkles goes through. That's about it. And then a pre-dawn coastal shower. Okay, you saw it on the radar on the Future Track right down the coast. That's about it, about a 20% chance of that, and then we're dry after that for Sunday and probably for Monday as well. Temperature wise, here's where we stand right now. A lot of 68s in the western part of the valley, a bunch of 65s in the east, and then 64 in Port Isabel. Overnight readings don't go much of anywhere. We drop a couple from where we are now, but that's about it under mostly cloudy skies, and again a stray sprinkle. And then tomorrow, well, back to 80 plus. Look at that. Haven't been 80 in a while. 83 McAllen, 81 Weslaco. The beach will be cooler, about 72 at the island, with southeast winds about 12 to 22. The normal high is on its way back up. Now it's 71. That's the 30-year average. And tomorrow we should beat that. Southerly wind, sunshine, 81. 72 on Saturday behind the front, and only 66 on Sunday. So pretty good cool down courtesy of the front that is coming in early in the morning on Saturday. Rest of Texas, not much happening right now. It's a little chilly in Dallas, 49. Austin 65, San Antonio at 66. Some clouds in the southern part of the state. They saw sunshine in North Texas today. There's a front almost in the state. It's not going to get here. In fact, it's barely going to touch Texas. Going to creep across Texarkana. That'll be the end of that. Another front, though, this is the big one. This one comes in early in the morning on Saturday, turns windy and cooler. This air mass, though, not nearly as cold as what all the models were advertising early in the week. Yes, it will be chilly, but nothing like what the models were suggesting earlier. There's not a threat of a freeze. We've taken that completely out of the forecast. In fact, most places will probably stay 40 and above with this system, so not even close. Cooler temperatures built in, but nothing like what the models were advertising earlier in the week. And that football game in Kansas City, temperatures might be in the 20s instead of 5 or 6 like we were originally forecasting. So tonight, cloudy and cool, 62, and then tomorrow, 81. Some fog early, some afternoon sunshine, southerly winds at about 10 to 20. So 81, then only 72 on Saturday. The front comes in, maybe a pre-dawn shower at the coast. And then Sunday, 66 for a high after 43. We've gotten the 30s out of the forecast, 40. That's close, and that may be cool. 73 on Monday, 76 Tuesday, and then another front. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.